add half lemon to it and stir well so that the milk gets broken. So if you have the broken milk, there is no need to do this process. So the ingredients you need to make these are, guys, to make rasgulla we need some broken milk, 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water in the same vessel. So now let's start the method. So guys, now take a bowl and place a piece of cloth on it like this and add the milk like this to it so that the water goes down to the bowl and the cream stays on the cloth. Do not press it. Keep it like this for some 2 to 3 minutes. Don't throw the water which is down. It is rich in protein, so you can add it to any curry or when you are boiling a vegetable. After some 2 to 3 minutes, bring the cloth little bit up like this. Close it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Guys, after 2 hours, take out the cream from the cloth and put it to a bowl. After taking it from the cloth, knead it till the time when it gets to a consistency where you can form a ball. So approximately you have to knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just do it like this. So guys, after kneading it for some 5 to 10 minutes, it has come to a consistency where I can make it into a ball. So to make a ball, take very small part of it, very small, because when you fry it, it will become big. Then after taking some, make it like this into a ball shape, like this. So guys, after preparing the dough and making it into small balls, add the 1 cup sugar and 4 cups of water and boil them. So now I am adding 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. So here I have added 4 cups of water. So now let us wait till it boils. After some 4 to 5 minutes, just stir it like this so that it boils faster. So guys, after the sugar is dissolved, keep it in low flame and let it boil. So now it's boiling. Take the balls you have made, let it be in low flame. Add them slowly like this. After adding them, let them boil slowly. Do not stir it as soon as you put them. Let it fry for some 15 to 20 minutes. Don't keep stirring them, just stir them gradually. So guys, as you can see, you should turn it very gentle. If you don't do them very gentle, they may break. So guys, after some 5 to 7 minutes, when the rasgulla has enlarged, stir it once very gently like this, and then close it with a plate or any lid. Be checking after some 2 to 3 minutes or they may get roasted. Make sure the flame should be low. So guys, as you can see, I only closed them for some 2 minutes they have enlarged very much. Again, as I checked once, again I'm going to close the lid and let it rest for 3 minutes. Make sure the flame should be in low flame. So guys, now you can see that when I press it with the spoon end, it's not breaking and it's very spongy. So it's half done. So you need still some approximately 10 minutes. So let them cook. Close the lid. You will get to know when they are cooked when they are little bit golden, not very much, golden brown color. So guys, if you kept the cream to rest for 1 hour, then it may take more time to fry because it would be not so much hard and it would be very soft. So guys, now it's almost done. If I close it and keep it for 5 minutes, it will be done. So guys, we added more sugar water because the sugar water becomes less when we boil it. And the one more way by which you'll get to know if the rasgulla is made is that the sugar should have one string layer. So how to get to know whether the sugar has got one string layer consistency is that take little bit sugar water and pour it onto a bowl or anything and let it cool for some 5 minutes. After it cools down, take it like this, and when you do like this, you can see that there is one string layer but it has not yet come. So guys, now it has been done. The rasgulla is very soft and spongy. There are more bubbles coming on the sugar. I'll just show you. As you can see, there are more bubbles and it has formed one string consistency. So now I'm going to off the flame and shift it to another container. So guys, in the last, if you have some elaichi, you can take one elaichi and add it to that for giving a nice flavor. Add it when the sugar syrup is hot. So guys, now the rasgulla is ready to be served. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Family's Mania. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video.